A stone path weaves through lush grass to a vine-draped pergola. String lights glow above wicker chairs as a gentle fountain and bright blooms invite pure, peaceful relaxation. Clean lines define this modern landscape. A sleek deck and lush lawn meet tall grasses. A glowing fire pit and soft ground lighting craft a beautifully elegant evening ambience. A brick path leads to a serene bench beneath a blooming tree. Butterflies dance among vibrant flowers and raised beds as decorative lanterns hang gently from the branches above. Stepping stones cross white gravel to a bridge over a calm koi pond. Framed by lush bamboo, bonsai, and a stone lantern, this Japanese garden creates a perfect meditation space. A lovely pergola shades a cozy dining table. An outdoor kitchen, lush hedges, and soft lighting make this elegant patio the perfect setting for unforgettable evening gatherings. A rustic gravel path curves through wildflowers and tall grasses to a weathered gazebo. Vintage lanterns and a cozy hammock create a deeply peaceful, countryside-inspired haven. A sleek contemporary plunge pool sits framed by smooth concrete and lush tropical palms. Modern lounge chairs and soft LED edge lighting craft a beautifully relaxing evening oasis. A soft green lawn bordered by bright flower beds creates a joyful family landscape. A wooden play structure, a shaded picnic table, and warm decorative lights add endless charm. Circular stone seating wraps a glowing fire pit on a paved patio. With soft cushions, cozy blankets, and string lights, tall hedges beautifully frame this private evening lounge. Terraced garden beds cascade down a gentle slope, alive with vibrant blooms and shrubs. Framed by stone walls, a narrow staircase leads down to a peaceful, inviting seating nook. A cobblestone path winds through blooming roses and lavender at dusk. A gorgeous iron arch frames vintage chairs and a table beautifully lit by softly glowing candle lanterns. Light stone tiles form a clean patio, surrounded by tall planters with sculptural plants. A low water feature reflects the sky beside simple modern chairs in a quiet sitting area. Dense palms and leafy plants create a lush jungle paradise. A beautiful wooden deck with vibrant lounge seating overlooks a gentle waterfall flowing into a natural stone pond. Stone paths weave through overflowing beds of daisies, tulips, and beautiful hydrangeas. A white bench beneath a rose-covered arbor and whimsical statues add pure cottage charm. A sleek sectional sofa surrounds a glowing fire table on a large outdoor rug. Tall planters with ornamental grasses and warm lighting perfectly create a cozy nighttime ambience.